Hello, real estate buyers and sellers. Today, I'm talking about the home buying process. I'm going to break it down for you step by step. So if you are considering buying a home, you'll know what to expect. I would say that first-time home buyers and buyers who haven't purchased in a long time are going to benefit most from this video. Let's get started. Hello everybody, my name is Dan Crlenjak. I'm a realtor here in Coral Springs, Florida. If this is your first time to my channel, please consider subscribing. I put out new videos every Tuesday. I know you're gonna love them, especially if you're thinking about buying and selling real estate in the near future. Okay, let's talk about buying some real estate. So you've decided to buy a new home. Congratulations. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to meet with a real estate professional. We're going to go over a lot of questions with you. We're going to talk things about what style of home are you looking for, what's the location, what is your price range that you're looking for, and then your real estate agent will go to the MLS and find the perfect type of homes for you. Also, it's important to talk about right now is the buyer's advantage. As a buyer, you typically do not pay real estate commissions. That's usually paid by the seller. So as a buyer, you have no real estate commissions to be concerned about. That is the buyer's advantage. Okay, once you've met with a real estate professional, we're going to go on to step number 2, and this is get pre-approved with your lender. It's very important that you find out exactly how much you're going to be able to spend. And by getting pre-approved with a mortgage lender, they're going to tell you that number. They're going to give you a pre-approval letter, and it's going to tell you how much money you have to spend. So you can go out with your agent and look at homes that are within your budget. Okay, you will need pay stubs, W-2s, and bank statements for this part of the process. Your lender will ask you for these items. You'll send them to the lender. They'll take a few days to review the items, and then they will issue you a pre-approval letter. This is how much money you'll be able to spend. Then you can start looking at homes within your budget. Okay, step number 3 is the fun part. You're now ready to start searching for homes. So you're gonna work with your real estate agent based on the information that you talked about on your first meeting, talking about the price of the home, talking about the location and the style of the home that you're looking for. You'll go to the MLS and you'll find a list of homes that your real estate agent will be able to show you. Of course, your real estate agent will schedule showings until you find the perfect home that fits for you and your family. It's also important to talk about that not every website is the same. Frequently Zillow, Realtor.com, and other websites like that will show listings that have long since been into pending status or have long since sold. It's best for you to use the information that your real estate agent provides from the MLS. That way you'll know that every home that you are going to see is going to be available for purchase. Okay, you've met with a real estate agent. You've got your pre-approval letter with your lender. You've searched for homes out in the community and you found one that's perfect. We're up to step number 4. It's time to make an offer. Your real estate agent will make an offer based on the price and the terms that you choose. Here in the state of Florida, this offer is written out on a contract called the As-Is Residential Contract for Sale and Purchase. And in this contract, you'll have items like the purchase price, the deposit or escrow money, how much money is going into deposit. It'll have financing terms. It will also have some inspection dates as well. Your real estate agent will guide you through this whole process. Okay, step number 5 is negotiation and contract. So now that the contract or the offer has been sent to the seller, there is a chance that the sellers are going to want to counter certain items in the contract. These points of contention can be sales price, could be timing of inspections, could have to do with financing. It really could be anything. The most important thing that you want to make sure of at this point is that your real estate agent has experience in negotiation. It's very important during this phase. Okay, on to number 6. So now that you and the seller have agreed to price and terms in the contract, you are now what is called an escrow. This basically means that the home that you are going to purchase will be held for you until closing because you have deposited money or earnest funds into an escrow account. And an escrow account is an account where 2 or more parties deposit money while they finish a transaction. And the amount of earnest money that you need to deposit into the account is stipulated in the contract. You negotiated that with the seller and the help of your real estate agent. Okay, on to step number 7. This is the final details. A lot is actually going to occur during this phase of the process. If there is a lender, the lender is going to do a couple things. One, they're going to finalize the buyer's paperwork to make sure that the loan is ready to go on closing day. 2, they're going to order an appraisal. They want to get an appraisal of the home to confirm the value of the home, to make sure that they're not lending money on a home of lesser value. And on the buyer's side, buyers are most certainly going to get an inspection of the home. This is to confirm the quality of the home and to confirm that the quality is what the seller says it is. This is a very important step. I recommend all buyers get an inspection of the property done during this phase. Congratulations, you've made it to step number 8. It's the closing. At the closing, it's very simple. This is simply the transfer of funds and ownership between the buyer and seller. So the seller is going to get funds transferred to them for the purchase, and the buyer will get ownership in the property transferred to them. This is usually handled by an attorney. It could be handled by a title company employee. One thing you should be prepared for, though, is to sign a lot of paperwork, especially if you have a lender involved. You're going to be signing lots of paperwork, but get the paperwork signed. Once you're done, congratulations, you are a new homeowner. Hey guys, thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I greatly appreciate it. Hope you learned a little bit about the home buying process. It's important to say that if you choose a great agent, they're going to take you through this whole process, no problem. They'll be able to answer any questions that you have. However, it is good just to know a little bit about the process before you jump in. If you liked what you saw today, please consider giving me a like. It helps me out so much. Thank you guys again. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.